Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Windows 11 PC. So, let's get started. First, click the Start button and open Settings. From the left menu, select System. Scroll down and click Recovery. Under Recovery Options, locate Reset this PC. Then, click Reset PC. Windows will now ask you to choose one of two options. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Next, you'll be asked how Windows should be reinstalled. Now, review the settings displayed on the screen. If everything looks correct, click Next. Windows will then show you a summary of what will happen during the reset. When you're ready, click Reset. To begin, your computer will restart several times while Windows reinstalls itself. Depending on your computer and the option you selected, this process can take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour. Once the reset is complete, follow the on-screen setup to configure Windows again. And that's it. Your Windows 11 PC has now been successfully factory reset. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips, technology tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.